the smallest bonfire we've had in 25 years. Just for us, because it went a bit disastrous last year. And we've got silent fireworks, so yeah, it's going to be a bit of a weird one. I've just got to chuck that wood on there. We're done. Back to basics bonfire night. 15 people, bit of soup, Sammy on the fireworks. Oh, quiet fireworks. It's a weird one. Not when you have any more though, you can't chase them. Like a really bad pop video.
It is a really bad pop.
What do you do?
S Club.
Good boy. You enjoyed your fireworks tonight, didn't you? You love them.
Sit.
Oh.
Good boy. You ready?
Now stick your tongue out and see what
No,
happens.
I'm not going to stick my tongue out. Harry.